Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Busta Rhymes has teamed up with media mogul Mona Scott Young to bring relief to Jamaica after hurricane.
Boots on the ground, I'm gonna deal with the thing now. And we ain't stopping. The blessings don't stop, so we don't stop. Hands for Jamaica.
The blessings don't stop, so we don't stop. That's the sentiment expressed by Grammy-nominated rapper Busta Rhymes after arriving in Jamaica alongside Love and hip-hop executive producer Mona Scott Young to provide relief to victims affected by Hurricane Melissa.
We're hoping to go into the communities, provide aid, give them love, and show them that Jamaica is loved and not forgotten.
They've partnered with Dr. Janice Johnson Dyer, president of the Grassroots Community Foundation, who has Jamaican lineage.
Helping Hands for Jamaica is really this collaborative of people who understand that Jamaican people are resilient people and they need some support and love to guide them during this moment. Grassroots is here, particularly because Mona sits on our board and has always shown love, not just to Jamaica, but especially to women and girls.
Now, fans of the Gully God will have to wait just a little bit longer before seeing the DJ perform. The highly anticipated concert, dubbed Reggae Fest, The Return of Movado, has been postponed due to the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa. In a statement, founder and chief executive officer of Reggae Fest and Epic League Entertainment, CJ Milan, said that after witnessing the extent of the damage, this is a time for unity and recovery, not celebration. She went on to say that the focus right now is on supporting communities working towards stability, healing, and restoration. A new concert date will be announced when the time is right and when the island is in a better place to celebrate together. All purchased tickets were refunded as of Thursday, December 4. And on the international scene, a report shows that fake celebs fleeced fans for $5.3 billion this year with online scams. A study by the social media security company Spikers, reported by Billboard, says scammers impersonating celebrities are increasingly targeting music fans. Now, scammers go after Swifties with fake tickets and bogus merchandise, create clone accounts to target Sabrina Carpenter's fan base with fake meet-and-greet offers and pre-sale links, and Billie Eilish impersonators have run fake live streams and giveaways. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.